Okay, folks, I took apart my Ryobi because the hose busted. This hose, this unit is 4 months old. The hose already had busted over here. And I was able to cut it and re-put it back in, but look and see how it's cracking all over? It's like the hose is rotting. Well, it broke over here, and they have this adapter, which is screwed onto the pump, which has these little special screwdriver that you have to get now to remove this. I mean, they couldn't just use a Phillips. No, they had to use that little special screw to make it special and difficult to do. Like, I'm supposed to send in this to a service center to replace a hose on something that takes 5 minutes. The cover has like 7 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 screws that are special, that I have to get a special screwdriver set that I had to buy, but the one that goes in there is too short to get the last screw at the bottom. It just doesn't reach. As you can see, it doesn't reach to get that last screw at the bottom. So I had to use one of the bigger ones and press it down and get those screws out because they decided they need a little special screw. So now they need 2 special screws. Oh, but for the pump head? Oh, no problem. We'll just use, a regular Phillips for the pump head. That makes sense. So, and on top of that, they use an 8mm hose instead of a 1/4 inch or 3/8, which is easy to get and to replace. And you can't just easily find these hoses online to replace them. So, in my opinion, if you get a Ryobi backpack, it works really well. It does, but hey, this hose problem needs to get put so it can be easily replaced. This is really asinine.